What's happening, guys? It's not a great day. Not a great day today. I'm facing this way because my car is currently being loaded onto a van. I've come up to the Dog and Doublet junction here, and the car has died. Lost its clutch, so I'm being recovered up to dktuning, where we're going to put a new clutch in it now. We pretty much know it's the clutch because it's whining. Also, you can put it into gear when the car's not on, and it will jolt forwards even when the clutch is down. So yeah, lost the clutch. It's not a great day. I was going to go do some video on the motorbike, but that is not going to happen now. So yeah, it's unfortunate. Obviously, I'm not going to get no video of over there anyway. I want to keep the guy's face out of it and the company out of it and all that. So yeah, I'll show you when the car is actually at dktuning, what's wrong and all that. Anyways, guys, let's get it. Right, guys, now we are at Wolverhampton at dktuning behind us. The AA guy is not here yet. We came up in this car behind us. This Leon FR, it's a 2-litre diesel. I'm guessing that you're gonna want to know what's modified on it. So it's got new wheels, some Romac ones that just look like 3SDMs, fake 3SDMs. Smoked front and back lights. It's lowered by 35mm on iBack Pro lowering springs. I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh, and the splitters, it's also got a TRC low line kit on it as well. Looks pretty nice, to be fair. Oh, the guy's here! He's here! What's happening, guys? So I'm sure you are getting confused about how this vlog is going now. Last Friday, you saw that I introduced the vlog with the start of the device of the car, the ST. Now we're back at dktuning on Tuesday. It has been 4 days without my car, and I moan about how slow it is and how much it annoys me, but I hate not having it, so that's pretty much just as bad. So we are back at dktuning. I have bought a new clutch. We also have a new thrust bearing as well to put in it. So apologies about not getting much footage of the other day. Obviously it's quite a confusing time. I didn't exactly know what was wrong with the car. I knew that the clutch had gone, but I had other people around me, other people, you know, giving me a lift to other places so that I could get back home and stuff, and they didn't want me they didn't want to wait around to, you know, for me vlogging and stuff. We have an Abarth in the background, very nice. Not a TD04 though, so it's a little bit boring. I obviously, of course, say this because the owner is standing here. So yeah, we're going to go in now. We're staying after hours to do the new clutch. It's going to be incredible, guys. When we get it back on the road, it's going to be so much better. I'm so excited to get it back on the road and then to sell it. But yeah, so we're going to head back in. I'm going to show you a couple of the cars that we have in as well and what plans we have as well. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'll briefly show you inside what cars we have in. I'm going to blur out the reg plates as well because obviously they're not my car. In the background we have this absolutely gorgeous Mark II Golf, which I'm hoping to get on the channel at some point if I can persuade the owner. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that. Oh my god, absolutely beautiful. Behind we have another ST150, which is having a, what is it having? It's having a standalone ECU actually. We also have this Abarth behind us, which is going to be about 340 brake when we're done with it. So absolute madness. We have Felicia. Oh my god, Felicia, she's back. And then we have a couple of cars in bits. So behind us, we have the Abarth race car. Spoiler, it's going to be having like 400 brake horsepower, maybe a little bit more. And behind, we have the Golf R race car, which is going to be 700 brake horsepower when it's all done. Over here, we have this gorgeous Supra. Again, I'm not showing you the plate because of the owners, but yeah, an absolutely gorgeous Supra. That's running about 700 brake horsepower at the moment. And we also have a Golf R on the dyno with Dan, just tuning it at the moment. That is going to be running around about 550. And he's going to be doing some dynos on that while me and Jake are doing the car. So, of course, we are doing this job with Jake. He has been roped into filming with us again, haven't you, Jake? You love it, don't you, Jake?
I don't talk about it.
He's been roped into doing the work on my car. You're a good one, aren't you? He's going to get plenty of coffee after this. So what exactly do we have to do, you know, to start with the process of, you know, getting it on the ramp? But just before we get it up in the air, just explain to the viewers exactly what we've got to do first.
So, basically, put the ramp first. And then make sure you got the locking wheel key out, because last thing I'll do is put the car in the air.
Have I give you that?
No, yeah.
No, it is in the glove box. I'll give you that off camera in a sec.
Then you start removing all the battery, as you can see all here down. Start removing the battery, start removing the battery tray, just so you can get access to the top bolts of the gearbox.
Okay.
From then, obviously, you'll go under. You'll remove both front wheels, because potentially you have to take the drive shaft out of the gearbox.
Okay.
Potentially, they might be bolting, they might be pushing. So I'll get under there and have a look. I'm not sure. Every car's different.
Okay.
From then it's a case of undoing all the gearbox bolts, undoing your shifter linkage, because obviously the front wheels of cars still have linkage.
Yeah.
Long cables, 2 of them goes into the cabin. What else do? Obviously, as you can see, there's lots of wiring around here, so if we remove most of that out of the way, and potentially drain the gearbox oil, depending, like I said, if they're bolting shafts, you won't have to drain them.
Yeah.
If they're not bolting shafts, you'll have to drain them, just because you don't get gearbox everywhere, because it stinks and you have to burn your clothes.
Nice.
Other than that,
so it's going to be a fun time, is what you're saying. It's going to be
3
absolutely.
3 hours, I think, 3 to 4 hours.
Nice, nice. So obviously the video isn't going to be this long, guys. But yeah, we're just going to briefly run over what we're doing to get this little clutch out. It's going to be so annoying. So annoying. Oh my God, guys, look how dirty she is. She's so dusty. Oh, Jake, don't do that. You're making it look worse. Oh my God. So the progress has been that Jake has taken out the battery. He's found a couple of rusty bolts, which is always good. And you are loving life right now, aren't you? Yes. Yeah, he's already had a nosebleed as well. So yeah, we're going to get all these little bits out. Here we go, guys. This is the new clutch, and obviously the new slave cylinder, thrust bearing, whatever you want to call it. Looks absolutely gorgeous, made by Luke. So it's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive. And we have some nice 75/90 gearbox oil, semi-synthetic as well. So yeah, current progress is that Jake has now got the car on the ramp, and he's now dismantling some of the bits. I've made a couple of cups of tea, which is going to get us through the day because we're British. So yeah, we just go underneath the car. You can see that he's just taken off a load of plastic covers and different stuff that the car has on it. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. And we also have to contend with Dan in the background revving the Golf R because he's doing a live map at the same time as us filming. The next process, guys, is now to get the wheels off, because Jake has actually undone all of the bolts and stuff now, pretty much on the bottom, yeah. And it's going to have fun getting these wheels off now. Sounds like an F1 guy. We interrupt this video, guys, to try this new energy drink that Jake assures me is absolutely vile. I'm not going to shout out the company or anything because it's not a sponsored video, but it's some cheap energy drink.
They're not cheap.
Are they not?
No, they're very expensive, but protein company, mate.
What? And they're apparently absolutely rank. So I'm going to try it. Let's try it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So Jake is having a lot of fun with my car, guys. He is asking me to replace it with a German or Japanese car because he's not having a great time, actually, to be honest.
Anyone that's ever worked on a Ford especially an ST of this model. Oh, a bit of oil dripping.
Yeah.
Have you ever replaced a starter? You're a legend.
Sound. So just quickly explain what we have done since we were last on camera. So we last took the wheels off.
We've taken the drive shafts out.
Yeah.
We've drained the gearbox oil.
Oh yeah. It didn't look great either, did it?
No,
it looked
brown.
It looks very brown.
I don't think Aidan's ever changed it personally.
No, I don't believe I have actually. No.
Disconnected the sleigh cylinder, the cylinder, any top cylinder you really want to call it.
Yeah.
We have disconnected majority electrics. The starter's been a pain. We've undone all the bottom gearbox bolts. We've undone the gearbox to subframe dog bone gearbox mount. We've undone the
So we'll look, there's the drive shafts.
We've undone the cables. We've got the top gearbox bolts to do. We've got to get the starter out, and then support the engine and drop the gearbox.
Yay! But you're saying that the starter motor is a little bit of a ball ache.
Here's your oil filter, your oil filter housing.
Yeah.
And your starter motor is in between all these wires here.
Yeah.
And just there. You can imagine.
Oh yeah.
I can't see any bolts, so it's not here.
So, as you can see, guys, it's going pretty well. We'll say it's going pretty well, but it is taking a while. We're about an hour and a bit into it now, and the gearbox isn't out just yet. Jake said it should be around about 2 hours to drop it out, and then we'll start on getting it all back in. It'll probably go back in a little bit easier than it comes out. Actually, no, it won't. It'll be like 4 times worse getting it in than taking it out. So it's going to be a long night, but we have this really cheap energy drink to lift our spirits, isn't it, Jake? Yeah. Yeah. Right, guys. So we just made a cup of tea, and oh, Jake, you all right? Are you? You having fun?
I'm giving up the wheel.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare at the top of the engine bay. We need to get 2 engine bolts, gearbox bolts, sorry, down there, out, and it's an absolute nightmare. And he's only had 2 hours sleep. He's just come back from Portsmouth, and he's absolutely loving life. But he's become quite a big character on my channel now. So yeah, he's going to have to. Oh. Goodbye, my lover. I will start singing. But anyways, it's getting there.
Getting somewhere. We're not sure where, but getting somewhere.
Very slowly.
You fast? What do you mean you fast? Why you come fast?
Why you come fast?
Why you coming fast?
Why you coming fast?
Why you coming fast?
Pull up in the gold, I'm bleeding. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with a bat. Snapping with a phone and dab. Boss up a man with a duster. Put him in the